Welcome back to Ultimate Gurney. So today we're going to show you how to repot a dianthus. Yes, a dianthus. So basically, let's just drop. So basically, this is a dianthus. It might look like a carnation. It really isn't. You could basically take the seeds out. I believe it's this. Hold up. This. But I'm not that sure. So this needs a repot. I checked it out because I pulled them out and not like no. I pulled them out gently and I saw that it's not getting root bound, but it needs more space. So I have a bigger pot right here, as you can see, size difference. So basically I'm gonna start digging a hole deep enough where the plant could actually fit. You know what? I'm gonna eat some soil out where it has plant, and then we can just top dress it with soil again. We're just gonna make a little hollow thing right here, like so, for it has room. And then we're just gonna gently grab it by its plant, flip it over, gently. See, look at this. See this? It's starting to basically get root bound. So we're gonna gently scoot it over here. If you want, actually, you can just rough up the dirt like that. But the thing I like to do is put it back the soil level like that. Push the plant down for no air pockets, because if you have air pockets, I'm gonna pray for you. Okay. Top dress it like that. Get more soil. Put it more on this side. Squeeze. And we have it good to go like that. As you can see, this is a pink dianthus. Yeah. Basically, a dianthus is a mini plant that it can grow humongous, basically. Basically, you just want to water it down when you have it, when you pot it, because then it's gonna wilt down. And this is basically gonna be a short video. This is just a repotting video. And yeah, check out the recent video I'm gonna be posting, which is the September garden tour. And yeah, make sure to go check that video out. Huge shout out to Lowe's, New Turf, and Home Depot, because those are all amazing places. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. That God bless you, and you'll see you in the next one. Bye.